We often look up at the night sky and feel a sense of awe and wonder. The twinkling stars seem so peaceful, so eternal. But the universe harbors secrets, and some of those secrets are far from benign. Hidden amongst the billions upon billions of stars in the vast cosmic ocean are celestial objects of unimaginable power, capable of unleashing cataclysmic events that dwarf our wildest imaginations. These are the deadliest stars in the universe. In this exploration, we embark on a journey to uncover the science behind these stellar titans. Stars that live fast, die young, and leave behind a legacy of cosmic destruction. Stars that can rip apart the very fabric of space-time, unleashing more energy in a moment than our sun will in its entire lifetime. Join me as we delve into the heart of supernovas, gamma-ray bursts, and hypernovas, and confront the awe-inspiring power of the universe's deadliest stars. 2,600 light-years away in the constellation Sagittarius lurks a binary star system named WR104, a ticking time bomb that has astronomers on edge. Now, most stars die a relatively peaceful death. But this is no ordinary star. It's a Wolf-Rayet star, a rare breed of star known for its furious lifestyle, burning through its fuel at a breakneck pace. What makes WR104 particularly terrifying is its potential to unleash a gamma-ray burst, or GRB for short. GRBs are among the most energetic events in the universe, capable of releasing as much energy in a few seconds as our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. Imagine focusing all that energy into a beam, a narrow beam that could stretch across thousands of light-years, a cosmic sniper rifle. And here's the kicker. Recent observations suggest that WR104's rotational axis is pointed roughly in our direction. If a GRB were to erupt from WR104, it could have catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. The gamma rays would strip away our ozone layer, leaving us vulnerable to deadly radiation from the sun. It's a chilling thought, a reminder of the raw power that these stellar giants possess. Eta Carinae, a celestial behemoth residing 7,500 light-years away in the constellation Carina, is a star that truly embodies the phrase, "Live fast, die young." This luminous blue variable star is already a giant, at least 100 times more massive than our sun. And its luminosity? Oh, just a trifling 5 million times brighter. But Eta Carinae isn't just about sheer size and brightness. It's a star with a history marked by violent outbursts. In the 1840s, it underwent a massive eruption, ejecting vast amounts of stellar material into space, a cosmic tantrum that briefly made it the second brightest star in the sky. Today, Eta Carinae remains shrouded in a nebula of gas and dust, the remnants of its past eruptions. But the big question remains, when will it go supernova? Astronomers believe it's living on borrowed time, perhaps even 1,000,000 years, a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. And when it does explode, it's going to be a showstopper. Let's talk about size for a moment. Our sun is pretty big, right? Well, VY Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant star in the constellation Canis Major, makes our sun look like a tiny speck of dust. This colossal star is so large that if you were to place it at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend out beyond the orbit of Jupiter. But VY Canis Majoris is not just big, it's also incredibly luminous, shining with the light of over 300,000 suns. Now, imagine the energy required to power such a star, the nuclear furnace raging at its core. It's almost unfathomable. And like all stars, VY Canis Majoris is not immortal. When it eventually exhausts its nuclear fuel, it will collapse under its own gravity, triggering a supernova explosion of unimaginable proportions. The sheer scale of such an event is difficult to comprehend, but it's a stark reminder of the immense power that these stellar behemoths possess. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star in the constellation Orion, has been a favorite of stargazers for millennia. It's one of the brightest stars in the night sky, easily recognizable by its reddish hue. But in recent years, Betelgeuse has been behaving rather oddly. In late 2019, astronomers observed a significant dimming of Betelgeuse, sparking speculation that it might be on the verge of going supernova. The dimming was so dramatic that it was even visible to the naked eye. While Betelgeuse has since brightened somewhat, it remains a source of intense fascination for astronomers. You see, Betelgeuse is relatively close to us, astronomically speaking, only about 640 light-years away. If it were to go supernova, it would be a spectacular sight, visible even during the day. The explosion would release a tremendous amount of energy, but thankfully, Earth is not in any danger from Betelgeuse's impending supernova. If there were a heavyweight champion of stars, R136A1 would undoubtedly take the crown. Located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, R136A1 is one of the most massive and luminous stars ever discovered. Imagine a star over 300 times more massive than our Sun, a star that shines with the brilliance of almost 9 million suns. That's R136A1, a star that pushes the very limits of what we thought was possible. It's a star that lives fast and dies hard. And when R136A1 eventually exhausts its nuclear fuel, it will go out with a bang, a hypernova explosion that will dwarf even the most powerful supernovas. The sheer scale of destruction is almost incomprehensible, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the universe's most massive stars. From the potential gamma-ray bursts of WR104 to the impending supernova of Betelgeuse, we've explored some of the most powerful and dangerous stars in our universe. These stellar giants, with their immense energy and destructive capabilities, remind us of the vastness and power of the cosmos we inhabit. But they also highlight the delicate balance that exists in the universe. The very same processes that drive these stars to their explosive deaths also seed the cosmos with the elements necessary for life. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the oxygen we breathe, all forged in the hearts of stars. So, as we marvel at the awesome power of these celestial behemoths, let us also remember our own place in the grand cosmic dance. For we are all, in a very real sense, children of the stars.